Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the sound section. Now we have to scroll down just a little bit to find those phone ringtones for two different SIM cards. As you can see, they are divided. The phone ringtone is divided between the SIM cards, so you can set totally different tones for them. And let me show you using the first SIM card how to do it. After tapping on it, you will be able to check all defaultly installed ringtones from which you can choose. At the very bottom of the list you've got this option Add Ringtone, which simply means that after tapping on it you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear right there and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. And on the other hand, at the top you've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any ringtone, any sound to notify you about the incoming call. So basically, if you'd like to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it and you should at least be able to hear it. Alright, I don't know really what happened, but I hope that you can hear the ringtone. So of course you have to find the one you like the most. So let's pretend I like this one the most. It is marked, so just confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.